What did that guy hand you?
Nothing. A cigarette? He handed me a cigarette. So what he said?
Did you get a baggie or something?
No.
Come on, man.
Dude, no. Get away from me, bro.
Imagine it being your day off. You go to the local car wash and you run into a coworker. You sit there, talk to him for a while, decide to bum a cigarette off of him, and then boom, an off-duty police officer said that he saw you make a drug deal.
Yeah, because he's got something on him. I literally saw him hand it to him.
Yeah, so I went to look inside.
I saw that on the dope unit. That's PC to search all day.
And that one phone call was all it took. You went from just a normal day off at the car wash, shooting the breeze with some coworkers, bumming a cigarette, to now
Give it up! Give it up! Get down!
getting your truck torn apart. They haul your helpless butt to jail and strip search you, all because some random guy called and said that they saw you make a drug deal. No evidence, just a hunch. Man, what's up, family? I appreciate you for tapping in to another edition of Just Wrong. Make sure you guys hit like for the algorithm, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell.
But I'm not harassing you. At this point in time, I got enough PC to talk to you and investigate what I got. I got enough to.
I told you what happened.
I got enough to talk to you,
Yeah,
get your information, and we're gonna go. Yeah, we do.
No, you don't, dude, because I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay, we'll get to that here in a minute.
Did you go talk to the guy or no?
See a little further.
He handed me a bag.
All right. So he's not wanting to cooperate, give me his information, but I got off duty, so he seems substantial.
Yeah, bro.
So it was a cigarette. So off duty stuff.
Get away from me, bro.
So what do you think?
Your call. That's crazy.
Well, he doesn't want to. You don't want to give me his information this time. I should at least get that, right?
Please, leave me alone.
I mean, here's the
I didn't
thing,
do anything
like-
wrong. Hey, whoa, dude, don't touch me, bro.
Listen.
No, hold on. You
That's
don't
it.
touch me, man.
I want.
For what?
I've already told you.
No, for what?
I've already explained to you.
No, look, you're not getting any information from me because I did nothing wrong. No, leave me alone, dude.
Listen,
You're gonna leave me the fuck alone. Go ask that guy.
I'm gonna talk to you.
No, you're gonna leave me
I'm talking
alone.
to you because I got enough PC. I've already talked to an off duty. I want you.
Off
I
duty?
want your information before we leave.
For what?
So at this point right here, we can pretty much infer that he's not free to go. They're placing their body in front of him, putting the hand on his chest, pushing him back. So I believe you would call it a Terry stop. So I slid over to govfacts.org to get the full context of what exactly a Terry stop is and the origin of it. So a Terry stop, what most people will refer to as a stop and frisk, is a brief interference with your freedom of movement. So it's a miniature detainment. And what this allows is for police officers to briefly investigate the suspicion of a crime. And with this being a seizure under the Fourth Amendment, officers must have specific justification, and it cannot be based on a hunch or intuition. And if you want the full backstory for the Terry stop and how it originated, you can look up 1968 Supreme Court, Terry versus Ohio. Hear me out. Just because an off-duty cop calls and says that he saw something doesn't mean it's a slam dunk for a Terry stop. That suspicion has to be based on something solid, not a feeling you got from across the parking lot. And that's what we're here to break down today. Was this suspicion reasonable? And also, if so, why isn't that officer here? Come sort it out.
For what? Get out of the damn vehicle. For what? I'm done
just
playing.
do it.
Get out of the vehicle. Look, you're gonna fucking tase me, bro? For what, bro? Get out of the goddamn vehicle. You're a fucking... Dude, now. Dude, get out of the vehicle. Dude, you're gonna calm the fuck down. You're gonna escalate the situation. Why? You're violating my rights.
Get out of the vehicle now.
For what, bro?
Get out of the vehicle now.
Why, dude?
Get out of the vehicle now.
Leave me alone, please.
No, get out now.
We're past the leave me alone.
Yeah.
Dude, why? What the fuck is the problem?
Get out of the vehicle.
Serious right
Yes.
now?
Step out now.
Why?
Step out now.
Why, bro?
I've asked you. We're past the point of whys.
Dude, listen.
We're past the
No,
point
we're not,
of
dude.
whys.
Because what you're saying is not
We're
true.
past the point of
No,
whys.
dude, you're lying to me.
We're past the point.
You're lying to me. You're lying to me, bro. No, as soon as I fucking get out, you guys, I lose my rights. No, dude, come on, stop. I'm not doing anything. Please stop. Dude, what the fuck is wrong with you, bro? I didn't do anything. Hold up, bro.
So these guys spent about the next hour ripping this man's truck apart for this white bag of drugs that they never found. They then go over and speak to the man that they say they saw hand him the drugs. And yes, he was there the whole time.
How you doing? Do you know that guy down there at that stall?
Look, but he worked with me.
That's what just surprised me, because I ain't never seen him in trouble.
You never seen him in trouble before?
I never seen him in trouble. Yeah, I worked with him.
Were you over there?
When I pulled in, I seen him over there and walked up to my car. And I asked him what he was doing. He said, washing his car.
What's your first name?
Ronnie.
Ronnie? Like R-O-N-N-I-E? I-E?
R-O-N-N-I-E.
What's the last name?
Hines, H-I-N-D-S.
Hines?
Yeah. Is there a reason why I'm giving you my name?
Well, so earlier.
Did he say something?
No, well, we're not quite there yet, all right?
Okay.
So what's your date of birth? You don't got nothing on you?
Oh, no, hell no.
What's your date of birth?
1/10/1987.
1/10/97.
Whatever he done did, I don't want shit to do with it.
Ronnie Hines, if you want.
I came up here early in the morning, wash my car. I literally stay right here.
Huh? You gotta play it? Okay.
I literally stay right here.
Well, here's the issue where we're at, right?
Okay.
Did you hand him anything?
Oh, no. I pulled up, gave him 5. He told me he worked yesterday. Because I called in yesterday. My grandma passed away.
Yeah.
So I was in Detroit at a party. But when I pulled in, he noticed me, actually.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Because everybody noticed the Cadillac. So when I pulled in, like, hey, run ahead. Pulled up, boop, gave him 5. Told him, I'm going to pull right here. Told him when he's done, come holler at me.
You gave him a 5?
A 5.
Like a $5? Oh.
No, 5.
5?
So when I pulled, I told him, I said, when I'm done with my car, if you still right there, we'll kick it before you leave, because I'm about to be up here for a minute. I'll stay all day, clean my car, vacuum, and all. You know what I'm saying?
So you got the whole kit in there already?
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'll keep everything.
So herein lies the issue. I got off duty that was here.
Right.
And it states a male in a black Cadillac
Let me put this out, man. I don't want to do that.
handed him a baggie full of white
You can
stuff.
search this car if you want to. I don't want you to, but you can search this car if you want to. He ain't give me shit.
You didn't hand him
I
anything?
ain't give him shit.
I
ain't give him nothing. He ain't give me nothing. It was a quick 5, boop. I pulled right here, got the wash, and I seen y'all flying in. I'm like,
We don't have a dog on.
So I literally just called my boss.
Did you?
I called my boss. I said, Jake, him that.
Well, that's where we're at right now. Okay,
Right.
so that's why I'm over here talking to you.
Yeah. Oh, I understand.
And I got to do my job here to figure out
But
what's
yeah,
going on.
I only knew him for like about a month. He just started working with us. I work for Busy Beaver.
All right, let me hang out. Hey, you hang out with him. I'll mute this real quick. So,
Man, if you asking me, this is pretty cut and dry. Off-duty cop calls in, said that he saw a drug deal. They pull down on the guy. Terry stop him. They find no drugs. They talk to the other guy who they said handed him the drugs. Their story corroborates. But this man was still taken to jail. He was still strip searched. His truck was still torn apart. You guys let me know in the comments exactly what you think about this. For me to give my opinion, I would have to say is I don't think it's there, man. I don't think their reasonable suspicion is there. If that off-duty cop said that he saw a drug deal, that off-duty cop should be there. He should be there. He should be there to be able to justify what he saw. Because just saying that you saw something, calling somebody and sending them out to violate someone else's rights, it ain't right. But you guys drop down in the chat. Let me know exactly what you think about this one. I appreciate you for tapping into another edition of Just or Just Wrong. Now make sure you hit a like for the algorithm, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell.